Hi guys, we're going to Jollibee.
It's day...
It's Tuesday, Thursday. Ano kasi, we got fucked.
We got cursed.
Oh, we got cursed tuloy. This school day.
Monday, fuck day was yesterday. Yesterday was.
Oh,
and then Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah.
So now we're gonna relieve ourselves with Jollibee. Okay guys, we're gonna go and
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, we're at Jollibee.
That's so
Grabe.
magicful.
It only took us 1 second to go to Jollibee. It's so amazing. Diyos ko Lord. Wait, alam mo yung pa sa members. Permission to vid.
Okay, you have my consent.
Okay. Kala ko mag-ano pa tayo,
Okay,
magkakapirma.
I will video you. Ayan.
Ito, okay. Ikaw rin?
No, Coke. Ay, sige, dalawa.
Sure ka? Ayaw mo na float? Mag-float ka na.
Bakit? Iinom ka?
Oo.
Hindi, dalawa.
Oh my god, this is so not good. Okay na.
Mag-float ka.
Ha?
Mag-float ka.
Ayoko.
Ulo, buliw.
May ano siya.
Oo, pwede ka bumili. Uy, bilisan mo na kung hindi ka, ano, check out.
Wait, view order. Is this good? Oh, permission to check out. Baka kasi bawal din eh.
Mention mo. At ma'am.
Permission to check out at ma'am.
Oh.
Isa to kami, 29. Priority din. Ay, dito tayo. Priority.
Hindi tayo prior. Ano?
Okay.
2047. Ayan naman.
Perfect time.
Game.
Sino kukuha?
Na?
Ako na lang.
Tapos mag-request ka na ng marami mong tissue. Guys. So,
Ano tawag dito? Record mo ako pag
ay.
Order is ready.
Hi guys. Hi.
The food almost fell.
Sarap. Sarap.
First bite for you.
First bite. Ay, sige. Gusto nyo rin pala bang kumain? Guys, ano?
Tara.
Wala. Sarap. Wala yung gastos na namin to.
I just really needed this because,
Ang inang araw to.
mind you, wala pa tayo sa kalahati ng school year. Pero, ano yan, parang somehow in-enjoy ko na rin. Last year of high school, guys.
Last year of high school.
Anong, ano mo, piece of advice for income?
Maganda yung question na yun. My advice would be, oh my God, wag ka ma-insecure kung kapag takot kang mag-isa, hindi mo mahahanap yung mga tao na gusto talaga sa'yo kasi palagi kang didikit sa kung sino man. Let time do the work. Wag kayong ma-insecure about this, about that. Pupunta
I
naman
mean,
yun sa'yo.
siguro hindi naman talaga sa may iwasan na walang insecurity. Normal lang yun, but
Normal
like,
lang yun.
don't let it get to you.
We need to control it. Lahat naman tayo na insecure. It's just a matter of how we handle it.
Tapos nakakonect ka dun, parang choose your circle talaga. Parang pumili ka talaga ng mga tao. Kasi, ewan ko, pero sobrang laking difference ng junior high sa senior high. Kasi parang siguro, dahil we're preparing for college, ayun, entering adulthood, that's why it's more stressful.
Ito yung ano namin.
So, I guess, ayun, piliin mo yung mga tao, like, tutulungan ka talaga to grow as
Yes.
a person, gano'n.
That will benefit you. Alam ko yung mga friends hindi dapat ganun tinitignan. Dapat parang ginagamit mo sila. Pero ganun naman din talaga eh.
Hindi mo naman sila
Tulong-tulungan.
ginagamit. Actually, nagbe-benefit din naman kayo mutual.
Benefit, Magbe-benefit ka naman talaga eh. Kung feeling mo din hindi ka belong, umalis ka na. Take initiative kasi baka natatakot pa kayo.
Isa pa, don't give in to peer pressure. Parang, hindi mo kailangang mag-fit in actually. Kasi parang niloloko mo lang sarili mo eh.
Stay true to yourself. Nakakakwento ko, hindi ko napansin.
Gago. Guys, napaka-clumsy nito.
Guys, ito yung kumain ako. Huwag ka ma-insecure. Kung sino ka ba?
Don't let your insecurity
Get to you.
Ang hirap nitong advice na to. Kahit ako hindi ko ina-apply to, pero tangin na mo naman, bakla. Huwag ka mag-cram legit. don't gaya us.
Tayo mag-cram. Uy, hindi na ako nagka-cram. Diba? Tinatanong mo?
Hindi ka
na-
nagka-cram?
Kasi
Oh,
pagod na
where's your
ako.
notebook? Where's your notebook?
Ay, hindi ko nagka-cram. Hindi ako nagka-cram. Hindi ko na lang talaga ginagawa. Hindi ko na lang ginagawa.
Cut na to, hindi ma-apply yung advice eh. Pero guys, huwag kayo mag-cram legit.
Oh my God, talaga.
Ano ba yan? Bungi ka ba, babe? So guys, huwag kayo makampante. You should always, wala namang masama if hindi mo alam lahat. Kaya ka nga nasa school para matuto ng mga new things. So don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Of course, most of the advice are social advice because school is also a place to
Socialize.
socialize. Yung mga maths, science, tinuturo yan. Ang hindi tinuturo sa'yo kung paano makipagkapwa-tao.
Honestly.
Kaya yun, kailangan mo matuto sa sarili mo. If you're feeling, if you're feeling like you're,
Do it scared, do it cringe, do everything.
if you feel like you're embarrassing or what, or people don't accept you, just remember that this is only a chapter of your life. This isn't the whole. Bakit? Aalis naman din tayo sa eskwelahan. Magkakalimutan din naman tayo. Except yung mga tao talaga na, except the important people. Except the really important people. And choose people who celebrate you. It's not people who pick you, who celebrate you. Yung tuwa ko, baka
Ay!
Okay,
Yes.
ano ibig sabihin ko?
Celebrate like a birthday.
Yung ibig sabihin ko nun, kapag may tao na parang hinuhusgahan ka, kunwari may ginagawa kang isang trait, kunwari gusto mo naman yung ginagawa mong trait na yun, like, ano ba? You're into anime, tapos may isang tao na parang, they make you feel ashamed, they make you feel like this and that. Huwag ka na, don't settle for that. Choose people who celebrate your interests, what you do. And if there isn't a person like that, be that person for yourself. And then maybe the people that see you for you will come because you're choosing yourself. That means you're expressing yourself the way you want. You're doing the things you want.
For yourself.
Yes.
And not for others.
And the more people see that, the more they will gravitate towards you.
Is it working for you?
Ginagawa ko ba yun? Oo. Ako hindi ko kailangan kasi me personally, even if I like try to be like, alam mo yung social chameleons? Do you guys know social chameleons? The people who can fit in wherever, whatever. Ako hindi ako ganun. I feel like I'm not like that because I always stay true to myself. Kahit subconsciously, I don't put effort into trying to be myself or ano. Kasi I always put myself, like, in every conversation, every situation, nadadala ko yung sarili ko. Alam mo yun? Kasi if I feel like I have a mask on, nade-drain ako. I feel drained. I feel like I'm betraying myself. Ganun. Pero there are times na nagagawa ko yun. That I put a mask on.
Don't drown yourself in studying. Pero huwag naman yung sobrang big, bakla. O naman yun. Like, find a balance between the two. Like, breaks, studying, or like, social life studying.
Kasi sa totoo lang, madadalian ka talaga kapag nagawa mo. Kapag nabalanse mo yun. Kasi ako,
Hindi mo na...
nagagawa ko na yun. At it's very refreshing to be responsible.
Also, graduating or like, basta in the process of graduating. Don't pressure yourself to have it figured all at once.
Don't compare yourself to other people then. Kasi I know that there are other people that are good at this, are already experienced at this. They're already exceeding in that, but we're all in our own paths.
And our own pace.
Yeah. Life isn't a race.
Uy, may sasabihin pa ako yung cut me off.
So, don't cut people off then.
Because when somebody is speaking, you listen first. Yeah, guys.
Tsaka join extracurriculars. Because he's not joining. Extracurriculars help so much.
Actually, that depends on the person. If they want to focus on academics, then focus on academics.
Wait, bonus tip lang to. Kasi, joining extracurriculars expands your view on something. Hindi lang,
Oh, hindi ako tumatawa.
not just only on the specific field that you joined in, but also socially, because you're gonna find people that are also interested in that same field, and you're gonna find out a lot of things about that same field. And you have more time to interact with other people socially. Ayun, it's just very benefiting, very positive. But if the extracurricular is not good for you, di na. Just do
If
what
it's interfering with your studying,
Oh.
di ba? Siyempre, you have to prioritize studying. Kasi bonus points lang talaga yung extracurricular.
Study hacks.
Siguro, you should figure out kung ano yung study, ang tawag doon? Study shit na nag-work out for you.
Study techniques.
Yeah.
Ako,
Kasi, ikaw na
sorry,
naman.
ako pala. Ganyan ako. Oh my God. Ako kasi guys.
I see you, Kit.
Kung tatanungin nyo, listening to music doesn't work, but I do it anyway. I love listening to music.
Ako hindi talaga ako makikinig. Kasi, even the slightest sounds, nandidislock ako.
Eh?
Kaya nga nung nag-cookies tayo sa DS, tangina di ako makafocus. I had to read like the text a few times kasi hindi ko siya
Oh my
makomprehend.
God, ganun ata kapag about small families. Small family, di ba?
Sobrang nakaka-distract.
I got
Tapos
trained.
kasi sanay ako like mag-isa. So, may work ate, may papa, may sumama, mga So, I'm usually alone.
I got trained kasi ang init ng pamilya ko.
I grew
So,
up
naano ako.
by myself. Oh, active recall works best.
Active recall.
Kunwari, isang topic, i-recite mo yung mga naalala mo about that.
Ayoko yun kasi nabubusit ako kapag hindi ko maalala.
Hindi, that's the point nga. I-recall mo lahat. Tapos kung may hindi ka naalala, you can go back to it.
Ako kasi gusto ko isang bagsakan yun. Ano ba yun? At hindi ko
So,
maalala.
yun yung akin nag-workshop. Active recall. Blurting, okay lang din.
Ayun, di ba yung itutulat mo? Yung dirty.
Basta blur... Ay! Ano pala? Feynman technique pala. Yung when
yung
you teach... that work as well.
Ako yun. Ayoko yun kasi I feel like I'm crazy.
Bakit pag mag-isa ka mo?
Oo,
Actually, mas
ganito.
napapractice mo nga yung pagsalita mo.
Oo nga.
That's
Pero,
why it's good.
yung ginagawa ko na lang doon, I read books out loud para ma-practice.
Hindi, pero pag nag-review kasi.
Ako nga naman.
Ay, ba't di ko to naisip? Kanina pa ako mukhang shit. Di ba? Hindi
Oo nga.
na magtatalo. Kasi
Ganda
minsan,
ka ng walk mo kapag ganyan, ba't ayaw mo mag-daan? Ba't ayaw mo ganyan na lang?
ano lang to for limited time only. Kasi, di ba, syempre, when you get it out of the bun, syempre, ganyan, di ba, like that. Tapos, pag, ano na,
Matagal na,
hangin
matagal.
oo.
So the bun is the ano?
Solution.
Oh. Ano siya? Yin and yang.
So, yeah, guys.
Ano yung natunan natin sa high school year natin?
Wait, so, ano natutunan mo?
Yung natunan ko,
Tingnan ko.
yung natutunan ko, it's okay if you can't bond with other people. Kasi yun talaga. I thought kasi dati, oh my God, if I can't bond with, if I can't, kung hindi ko kayang maano yung section, like,
Nakikinig ako.
kung hindi ko kayang i-ano yung wala mo.
You're not a donation type of person, ha?
Kasi dito
Okay.
yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko dati, if I can't bond with this person or if I can't bond with the section, I don't know, like there's something,
Ma-apektuhan ka talaga.
hindi, like
Dati?
may belief ako na there's something wrong with me kung if I can't bond with,
So, na-affect ka kasi nga, na iniisip ko na may something wrong with you. Personal revelation na na-realize mo na hindi mo kailangan mag-belong, makibaan pala. Oh, yun lang ba?
hindi. Ano tawag dito? Kasi, you'll find your people.
Yeah.
And not,
Later in time.
not
Actually,
every, not every person is gonna be your person.
ano?
And there are some people na kayang makipag-bonding sa sa marami. May mga some people na hindi, na pili lang talaga. And if you're one of those people, don't get anxiety if you don't stress out. If you can't bond or if you don't have chemistry with the people that you want to have chemistry with.
They're not for you.
They're not for you. The people who you bond with, you'll know. If you click with them, you'll know. Malalaman mo lang talaga yun. Kung pinipilit, if you're forcing it, it's not probably not a good relationship.
May naisip ako. It's about like friendship breakups.
Yun.
Ayun.
Important yun. Important
Yun yung
yun.
pinaka na. Kasi, di ba, junior high, I told you, parang, there are people na, like, dumadaan lang talaga sa buhay mo. Like, you won't even notice na tapos na yung parang period nila para, hindi ko ma-express into words.
Tapos na yung nila, their time in your life is over.
Yes. Parang ganun.
Some people chapters, some people pages lang.
And some people make it to the whole story.
Yeah! Ang galing. Ano tawag dito? Kaya,
It really hurts, guys.
alam mo kasi, masakit talaga yan because rejection hurts talaga. Hindi, seryoso ako. Ngayon ko lang din na-realize yung sinabi ko. Na may pala, na may hugot pala yung sinabi ko.
Double meaning?
Ang ina.
Pero yan, guys. It's
Kasi-
like very normal talaga. Lalo na junior high.
Cause you're all, alam mo, I thought junior high, ang mature ko na. Junior high, like alam ko na lahat. Yun. Hindi
It's
pala.
okay to not know anything at all. Because you'll learn it later in life. Like, don't rush it.
Even your parents are still learning. So,
Parang hindi naman, pero sige. I hope they're learning.
it's okay. I think the more we get hurt, the more we learn how to handle it. The more resilient we become. Kasi,
I don't think we should normalize getting hurt.
hindi. Kasi mangyayari naman talaga eh.
Ako naman.
Like, kahit anong gawin mo.
Parang if you can prevent yourself from getting hurt, do
Kasi
it,
ba yung
syempre.
ini-encourage ko ba?
Yeah.
Hindi. Hindi kasi,
Alam, ganda ko dito, ma.
Kasi the more, oh my God, wait lang.
So I don't want to get hurt, but if I can avoid getting hurt, I will.
Yes, oo naman.
Pero syempre,
may mga
kapag-
tao kasi na kapag nasaktan sila, like, ano talaga sila? Like, ayaw talaga nila masaktan. Like, ano talaga sila eh. Like, they reject it.
Hindi naman sa
Ini-internalize
reject.
sila. So, may mga tao din na ano, kailangan ni-welcome mo yung pain na nakukuha mo. Oh my God. Ang hirap naman
This is
i-express
so...
yung...
Okay.
No, oh my God. Kasi kapag hindi lalaban mo pa yung ano, yung natatanggap mo, yung nangyayari sa iyo, mas lalo kang masasaktan kung nilalaban mo pa. Gets mo ba?
Actually,
you need to welcome the pain that's
That's
happening in
subjective
your life.
because people have different ways of accepting or hindi naman rejecting totally, pero may different ways sila para mag-handle ng pain, and if their approach is to like, you know, avoid it before it comes to them, parang hindi mo na yan like, hindi mo na pwede
Hindi ko sinasabi na masaktan
yun yung
kayo.
sinabi mo, i-welcome mo yung pain.
Kapag may nangyayaring kasi minsan may may pain na
Kumalma ka.
Wait lang kasi hindi mo ko naiintindihan.
Naintindihan kita, I just don't agree with you.
May mga
May
pain na
difference.
napupunta sa buhay natin na wala sa control natin.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Oo. Di ba, ano ba sabi ko, kapag, kung kaya mong like, i-avoid na.
Eh yung sa akin kasi, yung wala kang control, kung hindi,
Oo,
hindi
yun
mo naman
naman
talaga,
pala eh.
kung hindi mo may mga pain yung, oh my God, hindi ko sinasabi na masaktan kayo.
It's with your wordings kasi.
If I'm talking about pain that you cannot control, na gawa-gawa ng buhay, kung may desisyon ka naman na hindi masaktan, syempre, pupunta ka sa desisyon na yun. Make the right and mature decision. But when pain, if you're thinking about things, if you're going through pain that's out of your control, you should just welcome it. Kasi dun ka lang talaga, to grow, I think. If you just embrace the pain that you're going through and not be ashamed of it. Kasi may nakikita din ako mga tao, like mga shows, na they've gone through this like certain problem na parang natalikuran nila palagi. Pero nung in-accept nila na parte yun sa kanila, sa buhay nila, dun pa lang sila like tumakas.
Alam mo, it has something to do with attachment styles. Diba? Tama. Siyempre
Oo.
kapag avoidant ka, ganun.
Ayoko sa mga avoidance.
Be, alam mo, we shouldn't villainize, attachment styles. Ayaw ka na naman
Ayoko
eh.
sa mga avoidance.
That's so insensitive. Kasi, hindi naman, first of all, hindi naman nila
Gets ko
pinili.
yung mga avoidant. Avoidant yung nanay ko, avoidant yung kapatid
Pero
ko.
yun, let's not villainize attachment styles, lalo na mga avoidant. Because,
But I don't-
first of all, oo nga, pero first of all naman kasi, hindi naman nila piniling maging avoidant, hindi naman nila piniling ma-experience yung mga hindi naman nila piniling ma-experience yung mga na-experience nila na nag-result to them being avoidant. So guys, don't be
Ako,
mad. Pero syempre, if you meet a person, tapos parang, syempre, like may romantic connection kayo, tapos napansin mong avoidant, syempre,
Back out ka na.
oo, like, hindi mo obligation na i-heal yung person. You can never heal a person.
I mean, if partner mo siya, at may hangganan yung responsibility
Yes.
mo doon. But, it's not your own responsibility. May malaking parte pa rin sila doon.
Kasi Kasi you can't help a person who doesn't want to be helped.
Ganun ako pala. Kaya limitado lang yung tulong ko sa tao. Oo nga.
What you can do is just, support them. Lalo na kapatid mo.
Uy, bakit mo ako tinignan ng ganun?
Ha? Alin?
Wala pala.
Ayun, lagi mo yung overanalyze sa mga tao.
Ako anxious ako. Anxious ako.
Halata. I don't know, I feel like I was secure before.
Actually, sa relationships, wala naman akong attachment style na toxic. Siguro anxious lang ako. Kasi I think I'm fine na with how I attach myself to people. I don't feel the need to attach myself. It's natural lang kasi. I think that's what I'm learning. It's natural. Kung pinipilit mo, if you're forcing it, then it's probably not for you.
It's not love.
It's not love, it's not anything. If it's natural, then maybe it is.
And I think don't mistake familiarity for
Oh my
something
God.
worth fighting for. I don't know, I've learned that recently.
Familiarity.
Kasi may nagtanong sa akin. It was like, parang friend of a friend siya, parang I was asking for advice, tapos
Dami
sabi
ko
niya,
pala kailangan.
parang sabi niya sa akin, do you really miss the person or do you miss the comfort and their presence na binibigay mo?
Damn!
So I was like, wait, hold on.
Sometimes, alam mo, sometimes people are not the person is not the one that you're looking for. They're the one that brings the thing that you're looking for. But not actually the person. Ay, sorry.
But yeah.
They're the one that, oh my God, naging relationship advice na to. School lang to.
Okay lang yan kasi it's all part of it. Siyempre,
Relationship.
for sure magkakaroon kayo mga malalandi.
Oo, lalandi nyo kasi. And also, don't go searching for a relationship just because everyone is in a relationship. Yan lang naman.
Alam mo, kasi love isn't meant to be forced talaga.
Oo. That's natural.
At saka,
If friendships are natural,
kung wala talagang dumadating as of the moment, alam mo, dadating din yan in due time. So, I hope you don't, like, base whatever that is. Wala, basta hayaan mo lang.
hayaan mo.
Go with the flow. Literal.
Kasi friendships are dependent on having natural chemistry. What more pa ba sa love? It's even more important.
Ano ba?
Ako na. Next topic na. Ako na. May sasabihin
I'm
ako
loving
eh.
this, ha? Ano?
May sasabihin ako eh.
Ano ba yun?
Oh my God.
Rejection is true.
Uy, pero totoo yun kasi alam mo, the first rejection that we have in life is from our mom. Seryoso ako. Seryoso ako kasi di ba yung umbilical cord?
Oh, yeah.
Kinakat. Kaya yun yung first rejection natin, kaya tayo umiiyak. That's rejection, unang-una pa lang nangyayari na sa atin. But there will be times na gumaganyan yung tao. And there will be times that we will be accepted. Love shouldn't be
Sabi na ba?
ulit-ulit.
Ano lang,
nakalimutan ko na.
emphasis.
Love shouldn't be.
So, wag mo na ipilit kung hindi talaga. Kasi mararamdaman mo naman yun.
Sometimes you'll feel like your life is stale or boring. That means that you're the one that you should bring the color in your life.
Wow.
Not other people. Because
Actually, meron naman talagang dumadating na like, nagbibigay talaga.
sometimes the time that we spend alone are the times that we're preparing ourselves for the other person.
Wow.
kailangan may natutunan pa muna tayo.
Natututunan.
Kailangan may makuha pa tayong aral bago ma-meet natin yung tao na yun. Ano pa? Is love worth fighting for?
Oh, sa akin mo talaga tinanong.
Wait lang kasi.
Um,
Is love worth fighting for? I think it depends.
it depends. Entirely depends on the situation.
Kasi alam mo yung iniisip ko nun dati, ba't hindi ko pinaglaban?
Alam mo
Pero
yung,
mabuti na hindi ko pinaglaban.
kasi kung one-sided yan, anong paglalaban?
So, may di na ako nasaktan nun.
It means you're moving.
I've moved on na. Kaya ko na siyang tignan ng diretso. I think most times it's worth it.
Most of the time, but not all the time.
If the love is mutual, it's worth fighting.
Siguro. I
Ay,
mean,
wait,
hindi
wait,
lang
wait,
wait lang.
wait.
Kasi
May
like,
mga sitwasyon pala.
eto, kasi hindi naman enough yung love lang para, alam mo yun, para tukod.
Oh, that's so sad.
Is, it is.
That's why I love young adult romance. Kasi
Based on true story. Not,
totoo yun. Kasi kung hindi ka mahal.
hindi, at saka kung, ano naman kung mahal nyo isa't isa ko, hindi na kayo nag-grow together.
May ano ba yan?
Based on true story.
Akin? Nag-grow together.
Like, ano talaga.
And also,
But still be grateful for the people who come into your life. Kasi, ayun,
be grateful for the
for everything.
for the pain na naman.
They're for everything.
Oh, for everything. Mabuti na yung mga minahal. Kasi kung hindi, wala akong matutunan. Ang very... Wala akong matututunan kasi parang siya lang siya ating first kong minahal talaga.
So it's love.
Pero back then, I didn't know.
Kasi, wala namang like nagde-define eh. What is
Oo
love?
nga. It's
Exactly.
ang sobrang abstract niya.
That's why it's really hard to figure out if you love someone. Or it's just infatuation, limerence, like,
Maraming ganun, no? Pero kay feeling ko minahal ko natin is infatuation. Kasi, ang genuine ko nun, kung mababasa mo yung mga journals ko, mga journal entries ko, sabi ko, kawawa naman tong bata na. Kasi, na-insecure din ako. Sabi ko, what if naging kami? Kasi yun ko hindi madadrag, sabi ko sa journals ko, hindi madadrag ko siya sa buhay ko, ang hirap ng buhay ko, ganun. Ayokong madaanan yun. Sabi ko, wow, I'm so pure and honest and everything.
so genuine.
Oh, genuine.
You have so much love to give. And maybe that love wasn't meant for that person.
And hindi naman talaga meant kasi hindi na naman talaga. Cut to direct ka, cut to direct. Okay. Okay, let's start. Go.